Good morning and Jai Gurudev. Welcome to our online class. Today we will discuss exercise 3.6. Here some equations are given. The given equations are not a linear equation in two variable. These equations first we have to convert into linear equation. After that we have to solve. Now question number 1 sir has already done, and this one I think given homework. That's why number 3. From 3 I'll start. First one equation 4x plus 3y equal to 14 and 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. First we have to convert this pair of equation to a linear equation. After that we can solve. Now first we substitute this one by substitution. We convert this equation to linear equation. Let 1 by x is equal to u. Here y already given, that's why no need to change. This 1 by x in place of 1 by x, if we put u, then equation number 1 will be what? 4u, because 4 by x means 4 into 1 by x. Therefore 4u plus 3y equal to 14. This one equation number 3, because 1 and 2 already given. Then next this one 3. Now equation number 2, if we substitute 1 by x is equal to u, then this equation will be 3u minus 4y equal to 23. This one equation number 4. These two equations we can solve by any method. Substitution method, या elimination method, या cross multiplication method. We try to solve this one equation by elimination method. To eliminate, suppose if we want to eliminate y, then because here positive negative sign, first we have to make the coefficient of y same. After that we have to add. Now this one 3, this one 4. If we multiply it by 4, equation number 3, and multiplied by 3, equation number 4, then coefficient of y will be same. That's why number 3 equation, if we multiply it by 4, then what happened? 4 4 is 16u plus 4 3 is 12y equal to 414 ja 56. This one equation number 5. And equation number 4, if we multiply it by 3, then 3 3 is 9u minus 12y equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. This one equation number 6. Now to eliminate this y, we have to add, because now here sign are opposite, that's why we have to add. Equation number 5 plus equation number 6. If we add, then 9 plus 6 means 16 plus 9 means 25. 25u. 12 cancel, positive negative, and this one will be 5 125. This implies u equal to 125 by 25. This one u equal to 5. We get the value of u. Now we putting the value of u in any one equation. Putting u equal to 5 in, suppose, equation number 3. In equation number 3. Then what happened? 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. This implies 4 5s are 20 plus 3y equal to 14. This means 3y equal to 14 minus 20 means 14 minus 20 means minus this one minus 6, that means y equal to minus 6 divided by 3. This means y equal to how much? Y equal to minus 2. We get the value of y equal to minus 2. Now we have to find the value of x. Again 1 by x is equal to what? U. And we put the value of u. 1 by x is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. This way we get the value of x in. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the answer.